Hello guys, ayan, magkakat tayo. Ikakat natin to, ikakat natin. Para tayo ay magkaroon ng mga babies. So, titignan natin hanggang saan ang ating ikakat. Hanggang dito. Ay, nako. Nagulat naman ako. Teka nga. Hindi man to na. Taas na camera. Ayan. Ayan guys, ipropagate natin ang ating ang tawag dito ay lingua. So now this one is already 2 years old. We're going to cut her to propagate and to make more babies, because this is only the way how to make her propagate and get more babies. So now guys, today is a 27 of the 6th. So we going to update and put how long she get her babies more and more. And guys, somebody cut under the leaves. Somebody come here in our house to cut the leaves. Maybe she think to have a propagation. So I don't know who does that. So it's not it's a very bad habit that way, you know guys. So anyway, we're going to cut now. You gonna be good, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. I just hold you because maybe you're very heavy. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay! Yeah, I got it. I'm going to propagate her. So this one, you see guys, somebody cut the leaves. So I don't know who does that. Look, get the scissor and cut. Crazy people. Yeah. So yeah, this is lingua. My lingua guys. As you can see. I make it plants again. Ayan, pagkatapos natin i-cut, ating lalagyan ng cinnamon. Ito, cinnamon powder. So, to protect her wound. Yeah. You need to put cinnamon powder to protect the wound. Yeah. So, that's it. Actually, she got a baby here. Wait, guys. I think that she got already a babies here. As you can see, the babies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we have a look at it. How many babies she going to give us? Yes, that's the cutting. And the head, we're going to put a cinnamon. The head, this one, the head. We put wound. We put the wound cinnamon. Yeah. As you can see, yeah, spread only like that to protect the wound, not get smashy, to callus straight away. Yeah. So yeah. So now, this is the head of Tutti Frutti. not tutti frutti. What I can see. This one, the head of lingua. Yeah, see? This is the lingua I cut. Now, I'm going to propagate this one. So, yeah. Tanananan. Tanananan. Anyway, that's all for now. And thank you so much, guys, for watching. Bye-bye.